Hi, everyone. Welcome to
Hey
our
everyone.
webinar. Hi, Josh. Today I
Yeah.
have Josh, who is the CEO of HeyGen, and we today are going to discuss something that's really, really exciting. It is video translation for businesses and marketing teams and all kinds of ways to create video at scale. So it's really, really exciting. A great way to communicate with global teams, and we're really excited to present this and share all of this with you today. A couple of things, please. Please make sure that you sign up for the 5 credits. We are giving 5 credits away to everyone that stays through the webinar the entire time. So please make sure you fill out the form. We want you to get your credits and try out video translation and definitely get going with HeyGen. We're really excited. So hi, Josh. Good morning.
Hey, Kat. Good morning. So,
Hey.
yeah, I guess today, not sure whether everyone from the audience have tried out the video translation feature before. I think I guess we would probably kick this off a little bit differently today. So, what I'm gonna do is that I want to do a live demo with either you or me talking, and then I would just film it with this mobile camera, and then I'm gonna use
Mhm.
that video to upload to the video translation demo, and then I guess we will start it from there. I will use that video to demo that the new feature that will be introduced to that to the new version. So yeah, so Kat, do you want to test that, or you want me to test that?
Either way, it's exciting. Go ahead, record me.
Okay. Um,
I'm having a good
yeah.
time. I'm having a time trying out languages.
Okay. So yeah, because I think I cannot. Probably there's some problem with your networking. Sometimes it's getting blurred. I can try mine. Let me see. So what I'm doing right now. Give me one sec. Um, so I will just film this page real quick. Give me one second. All right. So yeah, I think it's good. I have a camera here. I can just film it for 30 seconds, right? Cool. Kat, do you mind I put you off a little bit? I just
Yep,
will speak for 30 seconds and put you on, and then we can start the presentation today. Yeah. Okay, give me one
sounds
sec.
good.
How can I put you off a little bit? All right, so guys, I'm gonna do a quick demo here. Yeah, I have this view. So, all right. Hey guys, I'm just talking about a random script. So I'm just filming this video for 30 seconds. Yeah, part of the reason why we are preparing this launch was because on the basic version on Creator, there's many features are not there. Like for example, we only allow up to 5 minutes video upload, and then we don't allow the script editing. There's no 4K resolution export for the video as well. So we will get all this, presented as a new version today all together. So yeah, I'm not sure how long have been my phone. Seems okay now. Yeah. So let's do it. All right, Kat, I'm gonna bring you back on. So I have this video here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna
Hmm.
just like send it to my computer. Um, Give me one sec.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. Wait, I cannot find it. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. I'm just looking at questions rolling that we're going to answer later.
Sure. This is a little bit weird. Let me see. So
Somebody is saying, show me the credits. Okay, fill out the form. We'll show you the credits. Make sure you all fill out the form. It's really, really important. It helps us, attach all the credits to your account. So please do that.
Yeah. All right. I don't know why it doesn't quite work for me. I cannot export this video. Give me one. Sorry about that. All right.
It's okay.
I'm just talking about random script, so I'm just. All right. So how about this? I will get to this one, figure out later. So we just get started to present what we have on the new version, and then I guess we will do a live demo, and meanwhile, and then we will just kick off the Q&A. So, all right, cool. Can you see my screen now, Kat?
Yeah, I could see it.
Okay, awesome.
Perfect.
Cool.
So let's get started. So tell us, who is video translation for business? Like, who are going to be the people that are going to want to use this?
Yeah, good question. So I think initially when we launched the video translation, that definitely works pretty well for a lot of like the content creators, right? For example, YouTuber or people who want to post their content or videos in different language format to different type of social media. But there's one problem with the existing video translation. If you're really looking for high quality corporate or business video, sometimes it's just not there yet. Like one example would be you're not able to accurately, control the translation script. That matters a lot for some business use case, but may not be matter that much for traditional social media content. In the sense of the business role, we want to be able to accurately capture every single word that we use, like making sure the translation, the tone match the brand, and that is actually the number one problem that we solve for business. And the second thing is that we often see people are trying to translate a much longer video, something like this. We are doing webinar, and it will be 30 minutes or even 1 hour, and we didn't support that before. And also some other feature would be around 4K resolution and stuff like that. Yeah, so I would say mainly for customers who want to do corporate video on a higher quality level. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
So yeah.
Great. Now,
I guess I can just get started, Kat, because I think we are running out a little bit of time in the beginning. So let me just quickly go over this deck, and then we'll do a quick demo. Yeah. So
okay.
Yeah, a couple features that are supported going to be supported on the business version. First of all, we introduced proofreading, where you can actually have the advanced script editor to add the script before you actually doing the translation. The second thing is that we are going to make sure the multi-speaker in the same video will work for translation as well. That will work really, really well for like interview, right? For example, like this webinar, you and I are talking separately in different time. That will work pretty well. And another one is that the long form content support, but much like we support up to, we actually support up to a few hours, but we just limit it to 1 hour here for now. And then this last piece is that I'm very excited about is that we call that brand tone translation, where we'll be allowing the customer to actually to do the custom prompting. What that means is that, usually a brand or business will talk about the product or their value, right, in a certain way, using some certain words, some certain terminology. And then we will be able to actually allow people to actually set up that configuration. For example, put in the terminology you would use, right? Put in the words you would never use, and showcase or share some of the content pieces that for your brand before, so that we can learn about that, and our AI will pick that up, and then we'll adopt that standard to the new translation output. Yeah, so pretty much those are the new features that are introduced in the business version. Yeah, we have all this language here. I don't think we need to cover that too much. So lastly, I just want to do a quick demo on the workflow. So yeah. Do you have any questions, or audience have any questions, Kat, before I go to a demo?
Yeah, I mean, there is someone who said, you guys said that you do not quality control on the translation and the user is responsible for that. They can't do that if they don't speak the other language. So what do you suggest as a solution?
Yeah, great question. I mean, like ultimately, someone needs to be responsible for the quality, right? So either customer who understand that language or us. I mean, we try to make it happen with AI. So that's the I mean, the only thing probably is that we either have to get someone who are familiar with that language to look at it, or just like we have to improve the AI accuracy over time. So I mean, for the business scenario, I would definitely suggest we get a proofreader to actually double check the script. Yeah, if that's something that you're looking for,
And
higher
of course,
accuracy.
oh, okay, perfect. If someone's asking if future languages are coming.
Yeah, so I think we are adding a few more languages. Like the plans, like we are adding 1 or 2 languages per month, actually. Yeah. Okay, so maybe let me quickly
Perfect.
go to the demo part. I think I got some delay, probably from you, Kat. I don't know what happened. Yeah. So, all right, let me quickly share my screen about the new UI. All right, can you see my screen now, guys?
Yep.
All right, cool, awesome. So what I'm gonna do over here, you will see that we in the business version, we have this proofreading, where we can upload video. I want to give one example is that, so this is a video I uploaded yesterday, right? So let me quickly just go over the view. This would be something like this. So let's say I put a video here. Still, we pick up a language. Let's say, can do you speak any of this other than English?
I only speak Greek. No, I don't speak anything there.
Okay, I see. Because I want to make sure we put one language that we are able to like edit, because I don't speak any of them. So, okay, let me just try to generate. So one thing the workflow will look different, a little bit different, is that as before, you can only translate that directly, right, after you pick up a language. But now what you could do is that you generate a proofread, just submit that, and then what happens is that we will take this video, and then we generate the transcript first. Let me open up my video last night. I just put it there for testing. So you want to say, let me just wait for this one to upload. Okay. So when we open up this proofreading mode, you will be able to see the left side is the original content. On the right side, this is the one I pick up on Spanish. So we'll be able to update the content, right? Oh, I think I can say this one. This seems correct. And then, for example, assuming that the name is pronounced or is translated wrong, right? My name is actually Peter.
Josh, excuse me one quick second. Can you turn down your mic just a little tiny bit?
My mic? Okay.
Your mic. Yeah, just a little bit.
I see. I actually don't know how to turn it off a little bit, but is it too loud or too noisy?
Yeah, it's a little bit loud and everybody's commenting on it.
I see. Okay. Let me put my headphone on. Maybe that would be better. Yeah. Give me 1 sec. All right. Is it better now?
Yeah, sounds better, I think. Say a few things.
Yeah.
Way better.
Okay, sounds good. Sorry, I think I'm maybe some problem with the microphone. Yeah. So let's come back to a demo. What I was demoing was that once you have the script on the left side, and then you can start to put stuff on the right side, right? And this is where is a place that you can update it and change. There's a small a couple of more feature here where you can also pick up the different voices. For example, as a default mode, we will use the voice clone of the original speaker, but we also allow you to use other type of a TTS. Like for example, like here, because I pick up language as a Spanish, will basically show up all the available language here for Spanish. And obviously, this is one of my voice clone. A lot of voice clone also support it natively for different languages as well. So assuming I don't want my voice, I would just want to have a male, let's say Hugo. So and then we can just play this one. Now that I put up my headphone on, I don't think I can share the audio, but
Hola chicos, soy Peter.
you update
Presentaré y
audio,
demostraré la versión empresarial de
you
nuestra
can just play
traducción de
that
vídeo.
to get a feeling on whether how does that sound. Once we finish all the editing, we would just like and then you can click over here to translate the video, right? So or you can also save this proofreading to a new one. Let's say Joshua proof read stage 2, for example. You could save this one as a new one, and then you could potentially the whole workflow we introduce is that we want you to be able to, like, we want the business, usually you maybe have come with a person, they can do the proofreading for the translation. And that's why we kind of like introduce one more step in the middle for the team to collaborate on that. So yeah, this is Nick, actually. Nick is our community manager. I just upload his video. It's very simple. Just a couple words here. Yeah, and let me see what else I need to share from this proofreading version. Yeah. So yeah, so assuming the workflow is like you update it, you double check the transcript is correct. Instead of submit that video from the outside UI, what you could do here, just like after you update it, you can just translate this video right over here, and then it will doing his job same as before. Yeah. So I guess I just pick up the one last thing. I just pick up the video we filmed in the very beginning. I'm gonna upload that. See what will happen. Yeah. So I got here. Let's translate it to French as well. Yeah, maybe I can also try to get a proofreading first, and then we can probably start a Q&A for more questions.
Okay. Okay. There's, yeah, if you don't mind taking some questions while we're doing this. People are asking
actually, sorry, Kat, there's one more thing I forgot to mention. I think that there's some stuff very important I want to share is the November roadmap, right? So over on this business version of the translation, so you will still need to contact us so that we can understand better about your use case, and then we will basically open it access for you if you get into the business or enterprise plan. So I think people would be very curious about how you can get access this version. It is live today, actually. So we already have some early adopter from our customer space already using this one, and it's working pretty well. Once you get into the business version, we wireless your account, you will get all this access, as your in the new feature. The other one is for the November feature. There's a couple of things are coming on very, very soon. One is like I said, the multi-speaker, in the same video. Then we will be able to extract the audio chat. There's another thing, like I mentioned, the brand tone translation, where you would pretty much have a configuration on the UI here. You just add something, where you can add the terminology from the brand, or show us some of the translation in that language before, right? So the AI can just pick that up and adopt that standard to the new translation. Yeah. So let me finish this live demo real quick, okay, because it is processing anyway. So yeah, we can start with questions. Yeah.
Okay, great. So somebody wants to know, what is the ETA on API access to translate?
Yeah. So so it really depends on the use case for API. First of all, we don't have a plan to release the API publicly. So it will need to come through with some sort of enterprise collaboration or partnership. So I would say if you have an awesome use case, definitely talk to us. But I don't think we will open up the API for the broader developer in any short term, though. Yeah.
Okay. Now, for anybody that's asking about prices, just know that we need to kind of know your use case, what you're going to be trying to do in order to quote you. So please contact our enterprise team. They'll be happy to help you. We'll give you all of that contact info before we get off, definitely. But you'll want to talk to them a little bit and figure out what it is exactly that you need. Okay, when translation editing be available?
Yeah, like I said,
that's today. A question that comes up all the time.
Yeah, I mean today, literally.
For editing, just in general, for perfect.
Yeah. I think I lost you.
Content ASAP. What would be the benefit for that?
Sorry, I lost you just now, Kat. Can you repeat that?
Yes, some translate 10 hours of content ASAP. Is there a plan for them?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. First of all, we open up the video duration up to 1 hour. That's already working, but we can actually support like up to 10 hours in the back. If you have 10 hours of script needs to be translated, yeah, definitely talk to us. I guess we probably need to explain how can the audience talk to us. So part of the problem is that we are getting just too many requests in the past. I know there's a lot of requests. We haven't a customer sign up the form. We haven't reached out to you yet. So we will let's do it this way. We will just send you an email for everyone after this webinar and with this recording as well, right? So and then basically we'll probably ask you some question about what's your use case. If you can send us back on the email about your use case and your duration of usage, and anything like that, and then it can kind of help us to prioritize who we can talk to first. If you're really in need of making things happen right now, we can try to make the process simple. We can just like let's try to follow up on that, making sure we can follow up with everyone today. Yeah.
Okay. So here's somebody who's just praising the fact that there's customization. They really appreciate it. So thank you so much for letting us know. The feedback that you give us helps us create a better product. So we really do appreciate all of your feedback, whether it's good or bad. Please let us know features you're interested in. Loves them. So someone's asking, is HeyGen giving you more? Oh, go ahead.
Sorry, you go ahead first. Okay, I was gonna show up the video that I did in the beginning, but you can go ahead. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, some know if HeyGen is geared business users.
Yeah, so I guess that's the plan coming to the next. I mean, I wouldn't say we would. Like essentially, there's a couple different plan on the product, right? So for the business plan, definitely that's more towards the business use case. I don't think assuming you are running a webinar for 1 hour long for YouTube, you just want to easily translate that with one click to different languages. I don't think you need this because it just costs too much time. But if you're looking to translate, I don't know, for example, your advertising videos to a different locale or language, right? I would definitely suggest you use an editing script to polish about the proofreading a little bit more. So before you actually hit the translation button, yeah. So I guess the question would, I mean, the answer would be, yeah, different plan will fit into different audience, yeah, and different use cases.
So, yeah, definitely. I mean, as a content creator, I feel like so many of my friends are loving translation. They're loving all kinds of, creating the avatars, using the existing avatars for explainer videos. So there's lots of different options for everyone. Definitely something for everyone. Yeah. Okay, you going to show us the video?
Yeah, I finally put it up here. So this is a video where I just film it with my phone, and then I just submit that for proofreading. I should add that. So you can see that, I have my original script on the left side. Let's take a quick look.
Okay.
Yeah, the transcribe seems pretty accurate, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, the transcribe is pretty accurate, but I'm because I don't know French, so I cannot really verify how this thing look like. But assuming something, let's just one example would be assuming the 30 seconds wrong here, right? Maybe AI, is shot that differently. We want to do that with fix that to 45 seconds, and then in this case we'll be able to update that real quick, and then submit that for the French translation like that. Yeah, so that's basically how it works. Yeah, and I guess I can probably share this video to you guys in a bit. Yeah, it is running. So Kat, did you say there's more questions?
So people are asked. Yeah, definitely. People asking about the queue. Is there enough infrastructure available? Yes, definitely.
Oh, yeah. So for at least for the yeah. So Kat, so yeah, I think it is a little bit lagging. I don't know. Is it me or is it you or me? All right, never mind. I'll just keep going. Let's see if
I
that
think
works,
it's
right?
you.
Okay. So yeah, we'll definitely make sure we have enough infrastructure support whoever already purchased the plan. In the past 2 weeks, we have double our GPU capacity. So it should be good out there. For free trial users, you may still need to wait, but I would believe the wait time is minimized for just couple. I mean, for sure within the 30 minutes range, I would say. Yeah, if you want to do a free trial on the new video translation.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, more questions?
Wow, it looks like it's me that's left. Sorry, I don't know what's happening.
I see.
Yeah, more questions.
Sure. I can also go to YouTube, see if I can grab some questions.
We are going to be offering multi-speaker videos, right, in the future?
Yeah, very soon. I think sometime in November we are gonna release that. It's already working on it, and we're testing out the final version of that before we put on the product. Yeah.
Okay. There's asking specific questions about their accounts. So obviously we can't share a lot of information about your particular use case. So if you want to send us an email, please send something support@heygen.com. You can send me an email. I'm happy to make sure it gets answered. But yeah, it's really difficult for us to answer specific use cases about your personal account while we're trying to do this. So just know we're happy to answer it, but just not here.
Got it. Yeah. So yeah, would love to hear about the feedback from the audience in terms of like how would you want the business version of the video translation look like, right? So I can share a little bit, what we did in the past, like I would say 1 month or so. We talked to at least 100 of customers, probably more than that. Just figuring out what's missing out there, and what are the use cases that you're trying to do. So the proofreading is something we found. Actually, we do really quickly once we figure that out. There's a problem. You actually see the implementation and UI is very simple. So, and hopefully, sometimes simple just work. Hopefully that simple UI editor will make it work and unlock a lot more, potential out there. But meanwhile, we'd love to also hear about from the audience, what do you think is missing from this business version? We are prioritizing that from the team. We are going to ship 2 more versions in November. Like I said, 1 more version will be the brand tone translation, and the other one will be the multi-speaker in the same video. Yeah, I mean, we still have bandwidth to capture more stuff into the upcoming release as well. So yeah. So, and by the way, thank you. I think maybe some of you are in the webinar. Thank you very much for providing us the feedback and helping us to do the POC as well.
Yeah, we really appreciate your time. We know that, it's difficult sometimes to leave work, or, for those of you that are overseas, it's middle of the night for you, and we really appreciate it. So thank you so much. And I think that's it for questions. Wow.
Yeah,
wait,
so yeah, I guess we will, sorry.
You know what? Facial expressions, that keeps coming up, smiles and facial expressions. So is anything going to be happening with that?
Yeah, good question. So I think we have already put some, algorithm behind that to making sure that the expression match the new script. So if you're seeing some particular problem there, you can send it to us. I would be very interesting, curious to look into that, why it's not working. So yeah, in short, it should be working. If it is not working, something is probably wrong in the code. There's a bug there. we are aware of that problem right before we release this feature. We actually try to match the new script to the original speaker's emotion and talking, gesture and stuff like that as well. So yeah.
Okay. It looks like there's a lot of people that want some emails answered. Again, if you have some questions, enterprise questions, please send us an email. Send Josh an email if you have to. It's joshua@heygen.com. He'll answer it. You can send it to me, kat@heygen.com. I'll make sure it gets answered. So please send us an email with specifics. We're happy to help you. We know that sometimes it's not always as quick as you like, but we are trying to ramp up and get everything taken care of. So thank you so much for joining us. Please make sure you fill out the form to get your 5 credits. And thank you, Josh, as always.
So I want
thank
to
you
share,
so much.
1 second, Kat. I want to share that we just
Oh.
get this finished, the translating that original clip during the beginning of the webinar. I want to share the link. Can you post it on the YouTube? So yeah, I translate me into French actually. Let me see. Joy,
Perfect.
can you share that?
And for the person that's asked if it's possible to translate a video longer than 5 minutes, yes, it is.
Yeah. So I guess I would just open up the YouTube channel and post it. So, but I'm not sure how to do that for LinkedIn though.
Okay. Well, it's okay. As long as I have the, I'll go ahead and drop it into the conversation after we're through. It's no problem.
Okay. Oh, I know. Let's just end it with that video. How about that? I'm gonna upload that and then use that video to end the webinar. I think it will be fun. Give me 1 second. I'm uploading right now.
Okay.
So wait, it is still loading.
It's not a form. It's a link for the credit. And actually the person that just asked, Patrick, it's above you and below you, about 2 rows above and 2 rows below.
Okay. All right, I see Joy post the video out there on the YouTube channel. Yeah, but I will still use this one to end it. It is almost done there. 1 sec. All right, here we go. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Let's use this demo to end the webinar.
Bonjour, d'accord. Et les gars, je parle juste d'un script aléatoire, donc je filme juste cette vidéo pendant 30 secondes. Ouais, une partie de la raison pour laquelle nous préparons ce lancement est que, vous savez, dans la version de base du créateur, il y a de nombreuses fonctionnalités qui ne sont pas là. Par ex, nous autorisons des vidéos d'une durée max de 5 minutes, puis nous n'autorisons pas la modification du script. Pas d'exportation en 4K pour la vidéo non plus. Donc, nous aurons tout cela présenté comme une nouvelle version aujourd'hui. Donc, ouais, je ne suis pas sûr de la durée de mon téléphone maintenant. Ouais, alors faisons-le.